Why do I have two sisters? I just wish I have a brother. I know. I'm going to Layla's room and replace a mobile with a fire alarm on her crib. I also heard that the fire alarm will help her sleep.
Layla, what happened?
A loud fire alarm played so loud causing me to wake up from my nap.
Oh my. Preston must have put that there. I'm telling Mommy about this.
Man, that was really funny. Layla should have looked at her face for that. That's what she gets for being a girl.
Preston and Philip, come downstairs right now. Preston, did you put the fire alarm in Layla's speaker? Tell me the truth right now.
Yes, I did because I don't have a brother, only two sisters. Also, the fire alarm will help her sleep.
Preston, I know you want a brother, but right now, you have a sister. What you did to Layla is unacceptable. Putting a fire alarm on her bed is not going to help her sleep.
You are grounded, 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 grounded until you learn how to get along with your sister.
Go to your room right now.